Today our topic is World Nature Conservation Day. Do you know what is World Nature Conservation Day?
World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on July 28 every year.
World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of ecosystem.
Nature conservation helps in promoting biodiversity for a healthy and functional ecosystem.
During the celebration of World Nature Conservation Day, we must explain the need to preserve the natural resources by creating awareness to people around the world and encouraging them to protect the environment.
The earth is supplied a limited amount of properties that we all rely upon each day, like water, air, soil, and trees.
The prime resolution to overcome pure disasters, international warming, numerous illness, and way more is to protect the pure resources by creating consciousness.
We are in the center of a pandemic, and preserving nature begins at residence.
Create consciousness among relations, attempt and practice a sustainable way of life to defend and preserve pure resources. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.